Hello, what's up guy, it is Tafa right here. In this video I'm going to show you how I use my retest strategy to enter a market with after I see a breakout, and this retest form I will get an entry with low risk and high probability setup. In this video I'm going to use how I combine my retest strategy and trend line and exponential moving average strategy together in order to get a high probability setup in the market with good reward ratio and low risk. So without further ado, let's dive into the video.
On the chart, so I will quickly draw a line now so you can understand it right now. For me, when I mark this higher high, lower low, if I mark it out now, if you go on the chart, it might not be easy to mark out, but I will explain right here now, and I will still explain it on the chart. So let's go. So if let's say market has been coming up, market has been coming now, let's say like this, come up, come down, come up, come up, and it break out this place. After breaking out these places, we are not supposed to be, let's say we have one our last high is currently here. When it break out this place like this now, you are not supposed to be enter. Most people quickly get an entry right here that it has break out, and this is not supposed to be. You need to wait for a retest, because this breakout might be a fake breakout. You need to wait for a retest. After the retest, now let's say the retest come right here, now you now get an entry. This is my retest strategy that I'm talking about. And also you not just confirm it by the retest, because confirming with just only a retest, it might go wrong. You can see, just enter and market will went straight up. So you also need your trend line to be on your chart, and your exponential moving average. Everything is on the chart. I will explain everything to you right here. You can see, let's say this is my trend line, and market come down right here, touches this place. You see, we are getting two or about three confirmation. So let me take you to the real chart and explain to you. You can see currently I'm on GBP USD chart on Monday. The trade I trade last week, how I use my retest strategy, that is one I'm going to show you. This is a clean chart. This is not the chart I'm using, but at the end of this video I'm going to show you my clean chart where I get to spot all this trade and take all this trade and take profit. So let's get started. So you can see right here, I have marked the low of the day, the low that we have currently on Monday. I mark it out. After marking it out, I'm waiting for London to open to get an entry. You can see market began to be tanking right here, move up. When it moved down right here, you see this is our retest. You see, once it retest like this, you can get an entry, but you can still wait. If you do not get an entry right here, you can see when we get an entry right here, when it retest right here, when it get, you can see right here, I'm going to get an entry right here. After getting my entry right here, you can see setting my stop loss. Let's say I use 20 pips stop loss. You're gonna look far away from this. Set your stop loss. You can see I'm still teaching you how to set your stop loss. You're gonna look far away to this recent low red. You see 20 pips to catch 40 pips. You see, take profit it instantly. So this is how you are going to be using your retest strategy. Let's say you up in right here. When it break this place, you up in right here. You are not going to get a good reward ratio. So this occur in London section. You can see once, when I'm still going to explain the retest strategy back to you. Once New York session open, you can see this place that we have. This, let's mark this red out. You can see it break out this place. Let's see when it break, you can see this place. When it break, let's say it break out this place. Let's say you use this one to calculate that it break out this place, and you get an entry here. You see, when you set your stop loss, let's say you get an entry here, and you get an entry here and set your stop loss below this. You see, stop loss is gonna be it. That is why you need to wait for your retest strategy. So with my retest strategy now, like I have marked this everything well out now, so I will just wait for my retest strategy. You see, it's come up, break out these places and retest. After the retest occur and it move up like this. After the moving up, I will show you now. After the moving up that it move up, I'm using T-written to confirm it. I'm using the breakout strategy to confirm, exponential moving average to confirm. You see it break out and come down and touch my psychological level, and after breaking this high, I open for a buy. If I open for a buy right here, you can see take profit is gonna be it. Definitely you can see you're gonna set your stop. This kind of trade are high risk trade because it requires a bigger stop loss. So that is why you need to analyze yourself. That is the side effect of taking signal. So you can see 50 pip stop loss. You need to calculate your risk well. You can see to get 100 pips. Let's say 100 pips. You can see. So although market did not eat it, but if you close that day, you go home with a profit. So this is how I use my retest strategy. So let me now take you to another chart to show you how this retest strategy works. You can see currently this is CHF JPY chart. Let me show you the chart I am on this morning. You can see currently I'm on this chart. You can see this is another retest strategy that I'm talking about. Currently I'm on this trade right now. Today is Monday. I'm on this trade right now. You can see it retest, and once it retest back to this line, I opt in for a buy. This red line is representing London Open. So if you want me to explain how to set all these things that you are seeing on my chart, you can drop comment below in this video, so I can get to read all the comments and know your opinion. And do if you find this video helpful, do well to smash the subscribe button, like the video, and comment below so you can recommend this video to others. So you can see currently on my chart now, it is retest strategy, trend line, and exponential moving average I am using. And most of this trade, before and after I take it, I break down everything in my Telegram channel where I get to explain. I'm anticipating that this is gonna be buy or this is gonna be sell. You can see right here, I use my trend line and retest strategy. You can see this is the retest that I do. I mark out my trend line. Let me clean everything so I can explain to you freshly. So I just mark out my trend line. You see, I mark out my trend line. It touches two places. This trend line means I'm talking about this trend line means, let's say if it come up like this, if it come up, come down, and come up like this and touches this place and retest and come, I'm going to go for a buy. But once it does that it break out this my trend line. It has break exponential moving average. I wait, it break trend line and it break my psychological level. I opt in for a sell right here. This is how it works. And also you need to know more about top-down analysis before you can be spotting all this kind of trade, because before I took all this trade, I have done my top-down analysis. You can see 30 pips to catch 60 pips, 64 pips, 32 pips to catch 64 pips, take profit it. That is how this trend line, probably you might be seeing online that this strategy so far, one strategy alone is not working. You will use trend, like me now, I use trend line, exponential moving average, and psychological level, and retest strategy to make a trade decision. You can also see right here now, this trade that is right here now. You can see this. I use trend line and exponential moving average to spot this trade. You can see right here, it break my trend line, it break exponential moving average, it break this recent low, and I open for a sell, and boom, it take profit. I close the trade. You see, even if I leave the trade to the second day, you can see it finally take profit. But I used to close all my trade in 5 o'clock every day. I used to close with a little profit or little loss I get. You can see another one here. I draw my trend line, it break exponential moving average, it break trend line, it break psychological level, and it retest. You can see I finally use retest strategy to confirm it. You can see it come up and retest, and boom, it goes well. You can see this trade also did not take profit that day. I close out that trade. You can see finally the trade come and it take profit the second day. So that is how I use this my trend line strategy, exponential moving average, and retest strategy to make a trade decision. And also this retest that I'm talking about, most of this retest might not form a little bit long like this. Let's say it come up like this now and it now come down like this. Most of them we just form like this and come up and form 2-3 candles. But if you know how to read candlestick very well, you will understand that this is a retest. And if you want more of this breakdown, join my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel will be in this video description, so you can get to learn more. And if you find this video helpful, do well to smash the subscribe button, like the video, and comment below. So let continue. You can see another retest strategy. This is the kind of retest that I'm talking about. You can see right here. You can see it. I have marked this zone out. You see it come up. This is our recent high right here. You can see it come down, come up, come down, and come up back. You can see the retest occur beneath this line. You can see all the retest occur. I've been waiting. My retest have been occur at the bottom of this place. I'm just waiting for it to come up. On is come up and it form like 2-3 candle up there. I will open for a buy. You see, I open for a buy and boom, take profit hit. You can see this is another trade this morning with the help of let me withdraw this is another trade this morning on CHFJPY. I am currently on this trade. I'm holding this trade. You can see I open on this trade by 6:15 a.m. That means if you want to be spotting a good quality trade, you need to wake up early to be on chart. Currently, market will be very slow today because there is holiday on JPYPS. That is why it's supposed to have went up since morning, but because of holiday, the market will move slowly now. Let me just do the retest strategy. So the retest, it move up right here and come up retest and also come up. You can see right here. These are the kind of retest I'm talking about. You can see, if you don't know how to read candle very well, read candlestick very well, you can see this is a retest. Let me go. This is a retest. You can see it's come up like this and come down and come up. You can see if you can spot it very well, you can see when I expand the chart, you can see it is a retest and it went up, and the trade is currently valid. And also this trade, you can see this exponential moving average. There is a probability that this trade will come up and touch this exponential moving average. If it come up and touch this exponential moving average, that means you have get another new entry. That is how I used to use my trendline strategy, exponential moving average and psychological level and retest to confirm everything. This is how I used to use my all this confirmation to confirm a trade and enter a trade. This is how everything is being done. If you want more breakdown like this, do well to join my Telegram channel where I get to share my trade entry confirmation. Before I trade, I break down everything there.
So my honest review about this video is just to show you that how this strategy work. One things alone are not working in the market. We need to combine like 2-3 criteria in order to make a good trade decision and spot a good probability setup. This is how professional trader spot trade. And also, if you want to use this kind of setup trade that I saw in this video, you will need to be on in the market like 2 hours before. If you want to trade under sectional, you will need to be in the market before the time. So when the breakout happen, you will be able to fix it out. When the breakout will happen now, when you are doing the time when you are on the chart that you are waiting, when the breakout happen, you will spot it and wait for the retest. And once the retest occur, you go in for a buy. That is why waiting is just 80% and 20% is just for execution. So that is just it. So with this, you need to backtest it in order to make it your own system. It's not that you just see it as I do it here and you just started doing it. You need to backtest it. So if you find this video helpful, do well to smash the subscribe button, like this video and comment below. And also do well to check my Telegram channel link in this video description where I get to share more ideas of what I see in the market before placing a trade. Once I see the setup, I will do a breakdown in my Telegram channel where I will post it there, so you can get to learn more about how I do my analysis. So thanks, bye for now.